It's Jacob from Go Industrial, and today you're looking at our new store 5.5, which is a 5,500 litre self-bunded tank for diesel storage. And this is a really cool story. We had a customer named Josh approach us. He's based in the Northern Rivers and runs a macadamia farming operation. He was looking for a tank and a storage solution to fill up his machinery on site. So a good mix of farming equipment and light machinery. Originally, Josh was looking for a bunded tank around the 2,000 litre mark, which is our box range of product. Easy to move around site. It ticked most of the boxes, but we had some concerns over the pump and dispenser being open for anyone to try and dispense some fuel. Josh was also after a really basic and a simple solution, so we weren't considering things like a fuel management system to lock out any users. We started looking down the route of fabricating a pump box and enclosure that was lockable. But when we started costing that all in, we were starting to get around the price of our store 5.5, which is a pretty unique design in comparison to our box tank. With the store 5.5, you get a fully lockable enclosed pump bay. So it ticks the box to stop fuel theft, keeps all of his gear out of the environment, away from some harsh weather, and doubles his storage capacity, which is always a big win when you're looking to get bigger fuel drops and get that fuel saving on site. So let's dive into the tank, see what we've fitted this out with and how it suits Josh's needs. So here's our lockable pump bay. You have a key included. Twist it the right way. So this is a true bunded enclosure where we can keep all the dispensing equipment locked away and safe on site. Starting from right to left, up the top here, we have our e-stop, which is a pretty unique thing Go Industrial does with our tank builds. We're all about safety and operation. So we always make sure we include an e-stop. So that way, if something goes wrong, you can stop the thing from working pretty quickly. This is our 240 volt diesel pump kit. At the nozzle, you're getting flow rates up to 100 litres per minute. Here we have our Pusey by Adam PA2 pump. We have a 4-digit mechanical meter. We have a Pusey FT100A filter that's getting any particulate and water out of that system. This is a pretty straightforward kit that we've put together. It's got 6 meters of hose. It's not on a hose reel at this stage, but Josh now has the format where down the track, if he wants to upgrade to a hose reel or a hose mast, these are all things that we can build onto the store design. It's quite modular. Here we have our ladder that's enclosed, ready for transport. When it gets to site, the customer has the option to set it up on the left or the right side of the tank. That's to access the dip point. It's also to access the Donaldson air breather that we have on top of the tank. We have our fill and our suction line. We also have our Adam by Pusey nozzle with a nozzle stow here. Last but not least, we have our Go Industrial high level alarm. This is a float that hangs in the top of the tank. If by any chance a fuel company fills it too high, there's an audible alarm that fires off. It's bloody annoying, and you know that way you're not going to get a fuel spill. This is all packed up, ready to ship down to the Northern Rivers. I hope Josh enjoys his new self-bunded tank. I can't wait to hear how it's running. And if I'm down there very soon, I'm gonna go check it out and we'll get some video of it in action. We'll catch you in the next one. If you wanna get in touch with any of the team, it's Jacob from Go Industrial. We love building tanks and we'd love to build one for you. See you in the next one.